recording the ISS, the International Space Station. It's just moving past the side of the dome there. You can see it's beginning to get brighter. The battery is about to go on this camera. You can see the magnitude is now increasing. We can see the International Space Station with the UK's first astronaut, Tim Peake, on board and moving above the River Tay here in Dundee, looking up at the space station. It's getting brighter. It's moving across the sky. We're moving over now. It's extremely bright. I'm going to try and get the zoom in. You know, the auto